the food na mama.
Dito na lang dito.
Don't be fast.
Why?
Because I'm afraid.
How's your sleep?
How's your sleep, baby?
What's that?
Wake up na ko.
Oh, when mama buy.
Magkuwas na? Ato ta sa kuwas?
No, we're going to the safari.
Let's kuwas and feed the animal. We don't ride the car. Magkakuwas na dito?
You like?
Oh. The people magkakuwas. Oh, my favorite giraffe!
Our favorite character. Robin. We're going to see a lion, a giraffe, rabbit.
Rabbit!
Yes.
Tulog.
Bata.
Bata.
Thank you. Oh, chuyang nindot to sila ho.
Dito, no? Ano din po, ano kaning para sanitize ba? Para wala ugaw na maka...
Like Christmas tree.
Hey baby, there's a giraffe, huh? You check outside.
Oh my God, evening. Yee! Asa mong luggage, sir? Ah, okay.
Hindi pa tayo. Why is the wheel?
You want real?
You wanna feed the giraffe?
Huh?
You wanna feed the giraffe?
Hi, this is our cabin. Okay. You open it. No? Okay, go. Push. Yeah! Mana kung di pakuan.
Kalindot.
Close, yeah. Bismillah. Yes. Oh. Hi.
Sino oras? Okay, may panag-order na lang ka. Last call, 8:30 no?
Pero ganahan ko atong kuan. Italian.
Sirado naman sila.
Oo mo.
Sirado gani sila. Mo itong tulo ka bro.
While waiting for our night safari tour. Oh, very nice kaayo diri. Wala mi nag sleepers pero na may mga tay-tay. Sabay. So back to sleepers. Okay, see you tonight. Again.
Six different stops. First will be a 10-minute tour inside the habitat of our majestic white lions. Second will be a 3 to 5 minutes viewing of our striped hyenas. So third, let's enjoy watching the white Bengal tiger feeding po. And fourth will be a magical night walk and our garden. And let's also take videos and pictures in our cabin. And lastly, the canopy trail. And also, friendly reminder lang po, no using of flash photography in areas such as lions, tigers, and hyenas. And also, let's minimize our voices since some of our animals are currently resting. So let's start and proceed to our
There, here. Oy. Oh, go there.
It's okay.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Ay, musuot pa din ka.
Hello.
Lion over there.
No way. Oh yeah. Wait lang. Hello.
Hadi, sit beside me, Hadi.
Here, yeah.
Mami, mami.
Okay, sit here. Hello. Excuse po.
Sa middle siya.
Middle ka, middle.
Yes, different white lions nyo makita. Si Ben, si Jack, si Max, and si Boober.
Quiet.
So, katong tulo during the day tour is born and raised in France po. But right now, ang atong white lions na makita is from Germany. So, si Ben and Ken, they are a lot bigger and more aggressive compared atong tulo during the day tour. Yes, ma'am. So, let's find them. Just keep your eyes on the ground. Ben.
Finger off right
Mura na mag-iring pala eh. Hindi mo natulog sa bed. It's Raja.
Yeah, but bigger. Not even bigger. That's just Raja.
This is Raja.
Ben.
Raja could be signified. Raja could be signified. Raja is untouchable.
Dili na sila goon, ma'am. Natural na ilang kuan po. Makaligo na sila og mag-uwan.
you can't touch Raja.
Kaya even ang keepers na to, dili kadula na nila. So, i-ready na dan ilang food before sila pasudlon sa ilang holding area.
Yeah.
I can.
inside safari, we have two striped hyenas. And yung female po is currently inside the holding area because they are opposite sa lion. So, ang female might dominant compare sa male po. That's why currently ang female natin is na inside the holding area. And also, they are omnivores. So, inside safari, we feed them fruits, vegetables, and meat. Also,
Eat your food properly.
they are also the scavengers of the wild, so it's because they eat dead animals. And inside,
Bro, eat your food properly.
we have two types of hyenas. This one is striped hyena, and during day tour sa likod po, nandyan yung parent hyena natin. Laughing hyenas. And if you notice, the legs nila sa front is longer than their legs at the back po. It's because it helps them travel long distance and can run up to 60 kilometers per hour. And their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 60 years, and under human care, they can live up to 25 years. And also, they are the national animal of Lebanon. Well, tigers inside po, so mauna ang father po nila. And during day tour, inyo makitaan si Shadow and si Cloud, yung anak po ni Derek and ni Miranda.
Bro, you done. This one right there.
They are the largest big cat species. So, second ang
Really so cute.
and they are the biggest.
Big cutie.
And also, hindi lang ninyo manotice, but they are crossing.
This guy, bro.
Yes,
He's stopping any
because
cooking.
of the genetic mutation, wala
Chicken
na
joy.
tarong ka ng panilang na.
His own snack.
Right now, ma'am, during
look at Mama Amy.
Yo, we did not see that.
3 years old, but already planning excited. In total, we have 4. These tigers, makaproduce siya ng white tiger ang mama na rin.
Yuki.
And also sa tanan nga big cats, maura na ang ganahan kung
Mama,
Raya.
this thing attached to the other one. Does it look like a...
Boo!
Stop it! It's gonna stop.
Hindi kita naon sad no. Hindi kita naon ba no. Expensive plants. Laisyo. Uy, no touching ha. Cactus ba yan? Murag.
I wanna see the hammerhead that looks freaking for dinner.
Big guy, nagkaktus baby. Oh, so big.
Papa Kugos!
Ah!
and also another giant catfish
There's an alligator that one! There's an alligator door.
Hindi ba ni mo, Juan?
They are carnivores na fish. So, mga meat na itong ilaga na nila. Giant aquarium natin, ma'am. Alligator shark. And taco fish, hammerhead shark po. Melting giant catfish inside.
I always see the hammer.
Small ones.
They don't naman itigla.
Dire,
I know.
catfish. Mura sa siya siya.
Yes, but
Yeah, this one looks like that.
Hugos na.
Yan, nakaride din ako Camellia. Krokodilo? Dali mo yung krokodilo. You know ito?
alright, so
Oh,
after
see.
one, we are going to our last stop on the canopy chair. Can you go down and watch your steps?
Just look me.
One, two, three.
Be careful, ha?
I cannot believe your eyes with 10 million fireflies.
Naghanong bakit ang aquatic bird sa aquatic life.
Sige, shoot your phone, ha?
May see the duck.
Be, pakita si mami sa lami nga face, be. Focus kay sa papanin sa chika na dali. Extra eggs.
Uy, na-scan mo sa...
Thank you. Hello, you ready to go? Hello. Okay.
birds will fly close to you or may land nearby.
Lunch, puno ni mo ang
Please stay calm. Do not touch, grab, or reach. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show! Introducing our host for today, Mr. TJ.
Hi, Mabuhay, and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. Once again, my name is TJ, and I'll be your host for today. But before anything else, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our umbrella captain, Sophie. I mean, there you are, buddy, my best friend. And I guess Sophie here has something to tell us. But Sophie, buddy, just take your time, and there's no need to rush, okay? You have all the time you need, buddy. Ready? Just take your time. There's no need to rush. We're just here patiently waiting for you. Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now everyone, hi! Oh, where's the full energy? Again, hi! Hello! Now guys, are you ready? Okay, so to make sure you're all set and ready, how about on the count of 3, I want to hear the loudest roar of a lion. In 1, 2, 3. Good job, everyone. Now, did you see our group of pigeons? Well, did you know the pigeons go to places and can find their way back home no matter how far they will go? That's why they use as messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please sit back, relax, and also enjoy as our fine feathered friends will showcase their natural behaviors. Invite guest Amigo. Now, Amigo comes from South America and lives in the rainforest of Brazil. As he is a very responsible bird, he loves to keep his environment clean. We have here 2 sample trash bins labeled as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. We also have here some sample trash. And let's see how Amigo clean up this mess. Okay, so let's talk about you. First trash. Okay, hi. Okay, so first trash. Okay, let's have the plastic bottle. Okay, now walks all the way. Which bin, buddy? Open the non-biodegradable bin, and he jumped it inside. Good bird. Next trash, up here we go. Walks all the way. Now open the biodegradable bin, and he jumped it inside. Good bird. That's 2 trash. Another paper cup. Okay, walks all the way. Now open the same bin, and again he jumped it inside. Good bird. And the last one. Plastic bottle, walks all the way. Open the non-biodegradable bin, and he jumped it inside. Good bird, Amigo. Now see if the bird can do it, why can't we, right? So always remember to trash cans and trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to
Godliness.
That's right, godliness. Now thank you so much, Amigo, and thank you so much, Mr. James. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our next video, we have a very special, intelligent, and of course, a super handsome bird. But I need your help to call him. So everyone, can you say Jumbo?
Jumbo.
So everyone say it louder, say Jumbo!
Jumbo.
Okay, there you are, buddy. Now here's our green-winged macaque, Jumbo. So hi, Jumbo, buddy. Good morning. So, buddy, can you wave to the crowd like this one? Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to Cebu Safari. So everyone, can you wave back and say hello, Jumbo?
Hello, Jumbo.
So because our very dog feels it first and grab with 8 feet from its head down to its tail. With the tail itself, The drop extends up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo's gonna show us his beautiful tail. So buddy, can you turn around? Good boy. Good bird. And that's one. Nice. As you can see, most of his colors are outside his body and less colors underneath his wings. Now Jumbo's gonna show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? Now everyone say it again. Say wings. That's the macaws have zygodactyl feet, meaning they have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 toes that point backwards. They also use their feet, hold things, and climb. Now, Mr. Irving here is a groundnut. We will place it inside a plastic basket. Now, let's see what Jumbo will do. Now, Jumbo can put it out of the plastic basket and grab is not good bird, Jumbo. Additionally, macaws are often compared to a 4-year-old child because of how they think and act. But wait, there's more, ladies and gentlemen. Meet Jumbo's friends. From the jungles of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we're here for flying macaws named Harry, Hardy, Sony, our scarlet macaw named Kyle, and still we have here our green-winged macaw named Jumbo. Now macaws are very active. Whatever environment they're in, it becomes quite normal to them. So if they're surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. Their main diet is the fruits, vegetables, flowers, stems, and leaves. And in the wild they eat mud or clay to neutralize toxins from various plants in their diet. It also gives them essential minerals like iron, calcium, and most especially the sodium. Just like how humans can be left or right-handed, macaws have a favorite food they use to hold their food while eating. Now, did you know that most macaws are left-footed? Now, there are 400 macaws in the world. Now, these birds have very strong beak, easily cracks nuts and seeds with impressive bite force of 500 to 700 PSI. PSI means pounds per square inch. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a massive round of applause to our flying macaws. The most type of birds, meaning they only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when their partner dies after a one time, they will look for another mating partner. Now, thank you so much, sir. You can now take your seat. Please be careful. Gentlemen, I is here and meet our special guest from Indonesia. Our twin coffee cockatoos named Lilo and Luna. So, coffee cockatoos were the smallest cockatoos in the world. They can only grow up to 32 centimeters in length from its beak down to its tail with a wingspan of 45 to 65 centimeters. Now, try to out of volunteers stand still and don't make ash movement. We'll do it again one more time. Okay, so Lilo and Luna in 1, 2, 3, and go! Okay, take your time, buddies. And by the way, everyone, they also called as the Tanimbar Kakatu as their natives to Tanimbar Island. Ladies and gentlemen, count with me in 1, 2, 3, and go! Oh, no, buddy. You missed the second one. So, yellow-crowned Amazon parrots are the most commonly kept Amazon species due to their excellent talking ability and playful nature.
That's right. This type of birds are good at mimicking every sound, just like a rooster, a cat, a dog, and already at every noise.
Okay, let's start with the rooster first. Okay, how about let's try a cat? How about let's try the telephone ringing? How about let's try a whistle? I feel that Lani and Roger, they love to sing. Is that true?
Yes, they love to sing, but before they sing, they need to go warm up as used to. They have to warm up first.
So they need to have a warm up first. So let's do the warm up. La 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 la. La 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 la. I guess we're all set and ready for the first song. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more, Jacob. Okay. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more, Jacob. Now for that song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month of July, raise your hands. Okay, so happy birthday all the birthday celebrants. So let me agree. We have some celebrants here today. So what do you do next? Okay, let's do it again. And last one. Now see how talented parrots are, they can make sound so well because their brains are super smart, just like humans.
Very long horn.
So two of the largest and the best known toucan species around the world. As you can see, there's a white throat and black feathers on its body that helps them cover. Nice catch, Center. So Philippine hawk eagles typically hunt strong birds and patiently waiting for the right moment to swoop down its prey. As you can see, Mr. James here has already claws and Dr. Rick himself on the sharp talons and claws of his bird. So Philippine hawk eagle may not be as famous as Philippine eagle, but they share the same majestic and powerful aura, earning the nickname of Little Philippine Eagle. It is considered a medium size of copper that grow up to 65 to 70 centimeters in length with a powerful wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. Now ladies and gentlemen, let's give a massive round of applause for a Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Now ladies and gentlemen, for our next bird break. Now this is out there in the nocturnal type of bird, meaning most of the time is during the night time. Did you know when they're flying, they're almost silent as because of their special feathers sounding like whining in the night, making them the silent stalkers or silent hunters of the night. Just like any other owls, they rotate their heads on 270 degrees. And yes, that is possible because this bird has a 14 neck vertebrae, allowing them to spot a prey and be aware of its surroundings without even moving its whole body. They're also called here inside the Philippines as a guapo. Now ladies and gentlemen, let's give a massive round of applause for our Eastern grass owl named Bella. Now ladies and gentlemen, for our next vertebrae. So white-bellied sea eagle, also called as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the coast. It is the white plumage of its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. And wait, there's more. Here comes our next white-bellied sea eagle named Fortune. Peace, prosperity, and harmony. Once again, usually mine is EJ, saying that thank you so much everyone and enjoy the rest of the day. Now ladies and gentlemen, those are the pictures or videos of our product birds that's standing for our Halalan Center. We have your official photographer.
Uy, ano sama na. Uy, nagkakong.
Lion.
Manti daw tulog.
Love.
The day.
The day, love.
And ako,
Bottom.
Dada.
Bottom ko na sila.
Bottom down.
The day.
why the
The day, dada. Mugaw mo.
Go na, oy.
Go na, oy.
Ikaw. Go na, oy. Ikaw lang yan.
Oh, so I just took the monkey
Go na, oy.
Ikaw sa
Go
go.
na, oy. Yes?
Mo man ride the Jesus.
Picture mo.
Picture, stand up. Stand up. Look at mama. Picture ka ni mama. Abaw. Okay.
Let's go, capybara. Uy, you walk. Di pwede ko no walking ra.
Walang tao.
Dali na. Asan mo?
Nani, gawas ang isa. Oh. Alam mo nagbantay ito ay. Alam mo tayo nagkuhan dira.
Dito na to, Besh.
Hindi lagi na monsa. Wala kita gi. Ato tawag ko na. Alam mo tayo nagkuhan ito dira.
Gawa siya.
Basta gitu ya.
Tana na. Tana, Besh.
Daddy, I want to touch it.
No touching.
No touching ko na anak.
No touching, ha? Besh. Masih mulu yung Besh. Picture siya. Picture ka? Picture mo ya. Okay, fine.
Come on!
Come on. Pagkaw, lagi.
Pagkaw.
Fruits on that Besh.
Don't see the thread.
May Trump na na. The peacock on the other side. Ilaya. Hi, Ilaya.
No touching ha. No touching lagi. No, no, yeah. You're not afraid, yeah?
Nag-white lion na mo, ma'am?
Wala pa.
Wala pa nauna si bird show.
Morning mga show, sir.
Ah,
Different white lion din yung makita later.
ah,
Apat sa katong orange Bengal tiger sir nakabisit mo.
wala pa.
Yeah, maybe on tiya, yung makita ninyo is anak ng chat ni Juan.
By the way, my name is Shell and I'll be your guide for this journey. Now for your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the tram is in motion. It's great to have a complete stop before you stand up and capture those memorable photos. Secure hold through the grabbers and avoid using flash photography and selfie sticks during the tour. First, we have the highlight of our African savanna, the zebras.
Zebras.
So, plain zebras are herbivores, meaning they eat and oryx gazelle.
Hi, Madam Gazelle.
Waterbucks. So, waterbucks are known for their rough coat and long shaggy hair around their throat. They have a strong association with water, using it to evade predators like lions, cheetahs, hyenas, and African wild dogs. Now, if you look at that one right over there with the horn, that is a male waterback. So, only male waterbacks have horns. The older they get, the stinkier they become, and the stinkier they become, the more handsome or more attractive they are to female waterbacks. So, habang tumataya, mabango lalo. Next, we have the largest antelope in the world, the eland. So they are the largest, both in size and weight. They can stand up to 5 feet tall, measuring from their shoulders, and can weigh from 400 to 1,000 kilograms. They are known for their long spiral horn that can grow up to 1 meter. They use their horn for defense and dominance display. Once again, we have waterbacks and elands. Blesbok. So Blesbok is named after the Dutch term bles, meaning blaze, referring to their wide forehead. So that white part on their face, that's their built-in sunscreen. So it protects them from the harsh heat of the sun. Now male and females
Ganun ka
have
racing,
horns,
no?
with the females
No, you
having
like racings, no?
slightly gazelle. They are known for their striking reddish brown fur with black stripes on each side. So they are known as the incredible runners of the savannah because they can run up to 85
Ilaya, Ilaya, paakon sa crocodile.
We are going to the crocodile. You want to eat Ilaya? What's this ang crocodile?
Nagunsa?
Hindi na mag-unsa.
Mangunsa na, uy. Mangunsa na, uy.
Ote! 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 Ote!
So cute.
Mo man na sila kani mag-trap sa tubig ba? Ilay ko ano. Ilang itrap ang tubig ba para
So cute!
Nagaling-galing. Ito yun.
sila na nagkita ba sila? Masikat pa kayo
Nag-goal pa din na. Naka-open sa diya, ay! Crocodile! Naka-open sa diya, ay!
Hello ni mo. Tinuod yun eh. Abin ako di baterya.
Betul yang mga tuloy. Akan na din. Ila na din ang party. Ila na din.
Resting pig cake.
Bago ganyan.
Patience na ako after.
Hindi na makakat-kat. Gibelina.
Papa ni, nice one.
Umuwat sa din mo mukos sa mukos. Let's cross.
Picture ta, Besh. Pa-picture ta kanina.
One, two, three. Sayang isa ay. Awa. Daraw sa taas na nag-move.
Sleeping.
Where's that?
Wala lagi ni lahi lagi ni nakuan.
Ang snake boy.
Naka-cage siya to sila din.
Move. Murah na sila.
Shut off. Asa? Black book. Ilaya. Giraffe.
Zebra man ako, ma. Zebra?
Laya, look at mama. Giraffe. Di na alta mag-lunch ay. Asa?
Atong base camp. Hi, giraffe.
Hi. Zebra.
I want to eat.
You want to eat? Okay, eat. Finish it.
I want apple.
What apple? Dito na lang. Gabot ito.
Honey, come here.
Kaon sila grass.
Breakfast one.
Abot ko nilang grass pikas. Come here. Kauna si Laya. Eat si Laya.
I want to eat apple.
Kanya daw. Kung mo nila ito nag-drive sa aeroplano. Kaya,
Magkatawa ko niya mga na. Kanawa sila na, nanaw sila zero. Kanawa sila tulo. Mercury.
so do not reach to mga animals. Laya. Mga na nila house pa.
They're so cute.
Name nila meerkat.
Ano siya? Bird din siya dito?
Huh? Hey, monkey, do you want to eat, Ilaya? Daghag kuto si Ilaya.
Ayaw kugus.
You want to see my kugus?
Ayaw to see my kugus.
Asa naman ang uban? Nap time? Ay, daro di. Ay, dabuno nila. Ganahan kasi sila mo. Ano?
Bata nila. Ang papan. Laya. Good time. Kaman ba kaman?
You like the camel?
Yeah, I have...
When you unlock this?
No, when... Mura din eh. When I was in Dubai.
Wait, wait. Hindi ko na pwede yung what yan. Tawag na po sa kapit, baby.
Okay, come on, forward.
Forward. Dili.
Nasa babaw yan. Yeah, wait for me.
Brown pigeon dito yan.
Wow. Dara ya ay.
Pwede mo hold? Pwede mo hold?
Ayaw ka.
Mahalo ko na.
Hi!
Hello.
Hello!
Musta tayo siya? Hello? Sige siya na.
Mahalo ko. Brother.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Ah, ka-cute.
Hello. Hello, baby. Ikad mo, baby. Yan ha.
Ige. Oh, very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ansan sa?
Titi gubo. Dili na niya buhian ay. Adra ay hold, ikaw hold. Ay buhi ay ha. Very good.
Look at mama.
Look at mama. Ikaw hold. Hold it. Ana. Hold it. Sige, ikaw lang.
Yes, okay.
Siya mo.
Sige.
Oh, very good one.
Naaday ko sa kong ulo.
Lagi sa ulit ko do.
Ah. Mamaak ni sila, ma'am.
Nag-touch mama.
Ah, okay. Ayaw siya i-touch. Ganahan lagi siya sa kong ulo.
Dara. Oo.
Wala na, hurot na. Uy, lagi siya. Amuan na ni.
Nangamo rin mo lab.
Wala mo ko'y fooding. Nada ko'y fooding. Ha?
Kanang
Gikuha nila. Giatot. O niya, giluka oy. Ah!
Sada, lang.
Oh no, it's in my...
Everyone safety and comfort ko remain seated while the tram is in motion. Kindly secure a hold in the grab bars and do not extend your fingers outside the tram.
No.
So let's finally respond to stop for us to be closer to our white lions and to capture those memorable photographs. And by the way, inside po we have 3 white lions bred and raised under human care in France po. And they have a spacious 1.2 hectares area so the natural
Dara may.
Dukoon na
So let's find a good spot to stop to be closer to our white lions.
White lion.
Dara ba siya sa iyo? Nasa na yun?
So, on this side po, you can stand up, sir. You
Nasa?
can transfer on the other side so that you can take pictures. So
So,
those lions are all males and their siblings po recently turned 10 years old last month. So their name is si Jack, si Max, and that's their natural behavior in the wild po. Since wala tayong female lions inside, to avoid aggressive fights among lions. If night will, Pausa na na sila roar po. You can take videos. Rare na kasi ng roar po.
Kusugo.
And also, if you notice, they're still sleeping. It's because they are nocturnal animals. So they are mostly active during nighttime. And inside safari, we feed them grass, chicken, and beef, totaling 8 kilos per lion per day. So naka-omad na sila nga diet after mag-Kusong Park, dihan na sila pagkain.
once a day.
Yes po, and right now, they are hungry po.
Oh, hungry. Hungry sila. Dukoon na.
And if you notice, some of the trees have scratches. It's because they are territorial animals. So they mark their territories by urinating or scratching. Bugoy! And also their pupil is 3 times larger than humans, so they are having a hard time moving their eyes from side to side. So in order for them to look in a different direction, they need to move their entire head. You can also easily recognize a male because nasa like males, and the darker their males, the more likely to attract females. And the lion's roar can be heard 8 kilometers away, so anywhere inside safari, mag-roar ang lion, madunggan na natin. So kana ilang roar po kay manarag-roar ni Katy Perry. Alright, so are you done taking this? Hindi sila albinos. They are leucistic, which means there's a partial loss of pigmentation resulting in pale or dirty white in color. So it's a genetic mutation na sa ating white lions. But still, they are African lions. And on this side po, we have their holding area. So our keepers keep the animals inside after mag-close ang park for their safety during nighttime. And everyone, this will end our White Lion Safari tour. So let's await the next tram outside to transport you to your next stop. So thank you so much everyone. Enjoy the rest of
go out.
Who's knocked out? A bird man eh. Wala naman sa show. Doon po kita. Peacock.
The day. Like peacock.
Peacock.
The day peacock.
Peacock.
Oh, surprise, Mom!
Surprise, Mom! Mom! Mama!
Surprise!
Surprise!
Mama, i-open!
Ayaw, si Mama lang open.
Mama, i-open na! I-open! That is
Uy! Don't tell, Mama. Mama,
open, Ma!
kay ko dili na name mo open, ugma pa to anniversary.
Ma, i-open!
Sige na, open na, Mama.
Ako man ang rapper.
Imo, mani!
Hoy, oy!
Mani, gift!
Happy anniversary sa ni Mama Kiss.
Happy anniversary, Ma!
Happy anniversary, Ma'am. Si Mama lang gani mo open. Excited ka, ha?
Weighing scale na sad ni.
No!
Si Mama lang mo open.
Kami doon. I saw something. Sticker ulit.
Siya ba nag-cover ano? Oh,
Sorry, Ma!
oh, si Mama lang gani. Si Mama lang.
Video!
Mama likes. La. Kana na si Laya. Kana na si Laya.
No, open it.
Kana na si Laya.
Open it.
Kana na si Laya. Masyakwa ni.
Di, uy. Ako mina siya. Ano lang.
Masyakwa ni.
Di, gani. Imo man ang favorite.
What?
Imo man ang favorite.
Busini?
Wrong.
Abaledo?
Oh, di ba? He said, imong favorite.
Uy, 36! Oh, 36.
Saday ko.
32 raman ko.
32 sa mga.
36 kalawa ang mga shorts. Kanawa ko mga shorts. Mabiyot ako.
Sige ko na. Ako nga na nasa loob.
What?
That was intense. I don't think I cut out for this.
Okay,